Hello students, let us have a quick revision on chapter number 9, Forest and Wildlife Resource. So the first important question is, what is virgin vegetation? So the answer is the vegetation which can be grown without the help of man. The vegetation which is grown naturally without the help of man. This is known as virgin vegetation. Now, where is such vegetation found? So, it is found in Himalayas, Sundarban in West Bengal, and remote areas of Thar desert. We can see virgin vegetation means those those trees which are grown naturally without the help of man. Next important question, what are the types of forest according to administration? So according to administration, there are three types of forest. One is the word reserved forest. That is, it has a control, it is under the control of government directly. There is restriction on lumbering, means you cannot collect the wood from such type of forest. Neither animals can be taken for grazing. Neither the animals can be taken for grazing, that is pasturing. So reserve forest, it is under the direct control of government and there is a restriction on lumbering and pasturing. Second, protected forest. Protected forest, it is looked by the administration. Local people, they are allowed to collect the wood and they can graze their animals. So this is a difference. In reserved forest, it is reserved. So there is a restriction. Protected forest, they are protected by the administration, but people are allowed to graze their animals and collect the wood. Unclassified forest means the forest which is not classified. There is no restriction on tree felling or animal grazing. So second and third point is same. There is no restriction on tree felling or animal grazing. Next, on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, administration and management. 3. So one is state forest. State forest means it is under the control of central government or state. Communal forest, it means community. So community comes at bottom level. So here local self-government institution like Gram Panchayat, municipality, district Panchayat, they are controlling the forest. Private forest means it is of certain individuals. Such kind of forest is found in Odisha, Meghalaya, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Next important question, what is deforestation? So deforestation means destruction of forest. Deforestation means destruction of forest. Impact of deforestation means due to destruction of forest, what are the possible effect on environment? So what negative points are there? So one is the quantity of carbon dioxide increases. Second, greenhouse effect becomes more intense. Third, if forest is not there, there is a soil erosion takes place. Fertility of soil decreases. Fertility of the soil decreases. Why? Because of soil erosion. And many living organisms have lost their abode because many wild animals and birds have their habitat in forest, but due to deforestation they lose their abodes. Abodes means their habitat. Because of that, now where the wild animals will live, they come out of the forest, they come to urban area, and if they come in the urban area, people started killing them because they are feared of them. So we can see many of the carnivorous animals are killed, and these carnivorous animals sometimes kill the domestic animals of the shepherds. So these are the possible impact of deforestation. So what steps are taken for forest conservation? First step is research should be carried out to find the option for wood, because more and more demand of wood, it will lead to more deforestation. So first of all, one option should be there to use the product which is in the option of wood. This will save the trees. And wherever there is a development work, for example, if any multi-purpose project has to be started, roads have to be constructed, railways have to be constructed, so it is necessary to cut the trees over there. So at that time, same species of the trees should be grown somewhere else. So this is the first point, that option for the wood should be introduced. Plus, if it is very important to cut the trees, then the same species of the tree should be planted somewhere else. Next, those industries which get raw material from forest, so they should be encouraged for afforestation, means they can get the raw material from the forest. Similarly, they should plant the trees somewhere else. Under the name of ecotourism means nowadays tourism is very possible because of transportation, and due to this what happened, people are undue taking the advantages. They are throwing the plastic, they are garbages over the forested areas. So ecotourism means the garbage should be disposed in a proper place, but it should not affect the forest. Next important point is public awareness should be created. Next, syllabus of schools and college, the topic of forestation should be there. Next, social forestry and agroforestry program should be developed, where people will create awareness and they should plant the trees. Next, in place of firewood, option should be there, like for cooking, solar energy and natural gas should be used. Next is the trees. In order to make the process of tree growth faster and healthier, infected trees, if the trees are infected, it has to be removed, otherwise it will spread other trees also. Next, forest fire should be controlled by proper fire extinguisher. Next one is, due to the increased means of transportation, pilgrim centers have been increased. People go to pilgrims and religious places, and at that places they make cooking, they keep bhandaras, and after the bhandaras are completed, they are not disposing the waste in a proper place. So a step should be taken. This is also under ecotourism only. Next, area should be democrated. Democrated means divided. Separate area should be given for animal grazing, so that the forest will be under control. So these were the topics from forest. One define forest, one on the basis of administration, one on the basis of manage ownership. Next, what is deforestation and what is impact, and next one is what are the remedies, very important question and very easy question, remedies for forest conservation. Thank you.